Today, we're excited to share our latest update to Airplane Manager's navigation. As our platform has grown and evolved, we recognize the need to reorganize our navigation to better serve your daily workflows. We've completely redesigned our navigation bar based on user feedback and usage patterns, grouping related functions together and putting more functionality at your fingertips. While some menu items have moved to new locations, we're confident that once you're familiar with the new layout, you'll find it saves you significant time throughout your day. The redesign focuses on reducing the number of clicks needed to access frequently used features and providing more contextual information right in the navigation itself. The new navigation features hover-activated sections that reveal quick links, actions, and real-time information. We've also given notifications their own dedicated space, separate from messaging, to help you stay on top of what needs your attention. Let's walk through each section so you can see exactly what's available and where to find it. Your navigation bar now contains 9 main sections: alerts, trips, operations, people, charter, accounting, reports, settings, and account. When you hover over any section, a sidebar will appear with relevant links and quick information. The section you're currently in will be highlighted with a brighter blue color to help you stay oriented. Starting at the top, we have Alerts. This is your central hub for notifications and messages. If you have any unaddressed items, you'll see a red dot appear over this section. When you hover over alerts, you'll immediately see what needs your attention. Notifications are displayed with their type and posting date, while messages show the sender's profile image or initials, their name, when it was sent, and a preview of the message content. You can click directly on any notification or message to jump straight to the relevant item. If you prefer to see everything at once, clicking on the Notifications or Messages headers will take you to those dedicated pages. Let's click on Notifications to explore this new area. Here you can see exactly how many notifications are unresolved. The filter buttons at the top let you view unresolved, dismissed, or all notifications. For each notification, you can either click the square arrow icon to go to the relevant page, or if the notification can be resolved without further action, simply click the X icon to dismiss it. Next is trips. You may notice a red circle here if you have a new trip request waiting for your attention. Hovering over trips reveals several useful features. At the top, you'll find a quick link to Add New Event, which opens a sub-menu letting you select exactly what type of event you want to create. This jumps you directly to the appropriate part of the event wizard, skipping the calendar navigation entirely. If you're assigned to an upcoming flight, you'll see a next flight area displaying trip details with direct links to the trip sheet or flight log. Below that are your familiar links to calendar, schedule, my trips, and trip requests. Notice the arrow icon next to these links. Clicking it will open the page in a new tab if you prefer to work that way. At the bottom of this section, any new trip request will appear with their details, giving you a quick overview without having to navigate to the full trip request page. The operations section houses your aircraft-related tools. Here you'll find links to the familiar aircraft page, as well as due items and discrepancies. Your company documents are also accessible from this section. We've moved the Quick Tools menu here as well. When you click on Quick Tools, this area expands to show all your familiar Quick Tool links in one convenient location. People gives you streamlined access to your staff management tools. You'll find links to staff and departments pages, and we've added quick access to passengers and passenger groups, making it easier to manage all the people in your operation from one place. If you're a charter company, the charter section provides dedicated access to your charter-specific tools. You can start a new quote directly from here, and you'll find quick links to all quotes, empty legs, name vetting, and calculation profiles. The accounting section centralizes your financial management tools with quick links to invoices, expenses, export to QuickBooks, review reimbursements, and the categories report. Reports now offers enhanced functionality right from the navigation bar. You can build a new custom report immediately by clicking Add Custom Report. Duty time reporting is easily accessible here, and any reports you've marked as favorites will appear in this navigation item for quick access. When you need to browse everything, All Reports gives you the complete view of your company's reporting library. Settings has been reorganized to provide quick navigation to each of our many settings areas throughout the system, making it much easier to find and adjust the specific settings you need. Finally, the account section contains your personal account management tools. Your app mode toggle is here for quick switching between modes. You'll see your user profile information with a direct button to edit your profile settings. The sign out option gives you the ability to switch between accounts or log out entirely. That's your complete tour of the updated navigation. While it may take a few days to adjust to the new locations, the enhanced functionality and quick access features are designed to make your daily workflows more efficient. The hover-activated sidebars put more information and actions at your fingertips, and the consolidated sections group related functions together. Take some time to explore each section and discover how the new layout can streamline your specific workflows. We're confident you'll find the new navigation saves you time once you're familiar with where everything is located. Your time in the air is what counts, and that's how we keep you flying ahead. Until next time.